Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to another video. I know that it's been a while that I was not able to post a video because I was so busy doing a lot of stuff, and it's already 1 a.m. So I see to it that I will start my day early so I could accomplish all my tasks. So what you see are the piglets. We already weaned this piglet last night, so they are 35 days already since birth. This is the piglets of our first batch, first sow that I posted previously. So she delivered uh, 8 piglets, and only this 5 piglets survived. So here is our mama pig. So we will be preparing her for another breeding season. So here is another pig, sow number 2, first Parity. She delivered 8 piglets. One stillbirth, and the other is so weak to survive. Poor little piglet. And here is another pig, and today is her 114th day of pregnancy. So hopefully today or in the days to come, she will deliver her piglets. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Happy farming.